Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what do you do about weeds coming from your neighbor's lawn? Great. Another thing to blame on your neighbors. When their yards are overrun with weeds, what's to stop them from crossing over to your turf? Well, you can't just swap out your neighbors for better ones. There are some things you can do to stop their weeds from creeping over. One thing we recommend you do is to pull the weed or the rhizomes out as they cross over into your lawn. If you want to avoid all the hard work, then use a selective herbicide along the perimeter of your yard. Just be careful not to spray onto your neighbor's lawn. You never want to apply product to someone else's property without them knowing and their permission. If you're concerned about weeds along your fence line, then you can reinforce your perimeter with landscape edging to prevent the spread of roots and rhizomes. We also recommend you lay down a pre-emergent herbicide. A pre-emergent will form a chemical barrier underneath your lawn surface to prevent targeted weeds from sprouting. Additionally, basic lawn maintenance, when done properly, will nurture a healthy lawn and outgrow most weeds. By keeping up with your lawn's health, your grass will flourish and give no chance for weeds to grow. Finally, our last recommendation is to talk with your neighbor. Surprisingly, there are a lot of problems that can be resolved just by talking it out. And if that doesn't work, there's always the HOA. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Finally, our last recommendation is to talk to your neighbor. It's to talk with your neighbor, to scream at your neighbor. Our last recommendation, yell at your neighbor. You fight that person, make it impossible for them.